bringing you the Scudo Gunmetal Click Clack Waste and Overflow, the ideal choice for an elegant and effortless bathroom experience. With our beautifully designed gunmetal overflow cover and pop-up bath waste, you can wave goodbye to those dull plug-and-chain setups and welcome elegance instead. Installation has never been easier for this slotted waste design, thanks to the simple threaded nut fitting. A wide range of matching taps and accessories are available in the same gorgeous gunmetal finish to help you finish off the makeover of your bathroom. Make a harmonious, stylish impression that will amaze your guests. The Scudo Gunmetal Click Clack Waste and Overflow will transform your bathroom routine after all. Who says functionality can't be stylish? Discover this and the rest of the Scudo Bath Wastes range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.